In this video, we will show you how to install the CSPC handle on the AB100 detection module and connect it to the AVIOR 2. To do this, you will need the AB100 detection module, the CSPC handle, and an AVIOR 2 survey meter. Connect the CSPC handle to the USB-C port on the AB100 probe. Tighten the screw on the CSPC handle. Verify that the AVIOR 2 is turned off before connecting the CSPC handle. Locate the key at the end of the CSPC handle cable. Making sure the key is lined up, connect the CSPC handle cable to the AVIOR 2. Turn on the AVIOR 2 by pressing the select button for 2 seconds. The AB100 module will automatically be detected. The survey meter and the AB100 module perform automatic control of internal parameters to display the correct information on the AVIOR 2 screen. Put the strap on your wrist and adjust to fit. Remove the protective cover once installation is complete. Your probe is ready to use. After use, turn off the AVIOR 2. Place the protective cover back onto the AB100. Unscrew and pull the connector off to disconnect the AVIOR 2. Unscrew the screw on the CSPC handle. Disconnect the handle from the AB100.